Welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan. This video is part of a cookie collaboration hosted by Mitch and Philip. Mitch and Philip have a wonderful channel and you should go check them out. I'll put the link in the description, but they make lots of yummy food and they got really great personalities. I really enjoy watching them. And if you want to see the other participants in this collaboration, just look up hashtag Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. And you'll see them all there. So my best friend Teresa, her mom Sharon always made these the orange slice cookies for summertime and different events that she would have at her house, and everybody just loved them so much. And I thought for Christmas I would use the red and green candy slices and make it a Christmas cookie. So yeah, I'm excited to try it. I haven't made it before. So yeah, let's get started. Here's a look at the ingredients that we'll be using in today's recipe. So we'll start with 3/4 of a cup of butter and make sure it's room temperature. 1 cup of sugar. Mix until it becomes a fluffy creamed mixture. Next we'll add 1 egg that's at room temperature. And a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. For the dry mixture, we're going to measure out 1 3/4 cups of flour. We'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll gradually add that flour mixture to the creamed mixture. So now I'm cutting the fruit slices with my kitchen scissors here, and I have a little plate of sugar. And so you cut the fruit slices and then just roll them around in the sugar so that it makes it less sticky, so that when you add it back to the batter, it won't be all clumpy. Of course, you can use gumdrops instead of fruit slices. So the recipe said to use parchment paper on my cookie sheet, but I have been baking lots of cookies and I ran out of parchment paper. So what I did was I just used a little Pam on my cookie sheet, and that seemed to work out real well. For the second batch, I decided to add some red sprinkles to make it a little bit more Christmassy. Oh my goodness, you guys, these came out so delicious.
It's just the right amount of sweetness to them, I think. Just not overboard. But yeah, I hope you try making these yourself. You will love them. I hope you enjoyed watching this Christmas cookie extravaganza video, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Until next time, bye for now, friends, and have a very Merry Christmas.